Hello guys, lockpick mechanic here today with a Viro 60mm padlock. Those who got sharp eyes will know that this Viro does not have a normal Viro keyway. And you could be correct because this is the patent PV variant. Mental spring on there. This is just to show you how dwarf that ABUS 50mm is. Anyways, let's get into picking. Got to be quick because I've got to clean up my car. Okay, some can one. Okay, in a fault set. In the deep for fault set now, just let you guys look. And we've got it open. There we are. I would say this Viro is actually better than the ABUS. In my opinion, Viro are a lot better than ABUS. That's just mine. Probably a very unpopular opinion, but it is what it is. I stand by it because I'm stubborn. But I'm sure this has been Lockpick Mechanic. Leave a thumbs up. Like and subscribe as always. See you next time. Goodbye.